Hi Year 1, this is super exciting because this is our last video recorded maths lesson before we all come back to school. So we're going to end on a high note, just start you off some fluency. On the board are some number bonds that somebody's made to 10, but they've not quite got them right. So this number bond here says 6 and 3 more equals 10, but we know that is not right. So I would like you to correct these in the number sentence below. So correct it. The first part says 6 plus how many more equals 10, and what should it be? It should be how many plus 3 more equals 10. Spend some time doing this now. You can copy it off the screen. You can download this from the school website, or you can pick up a paper copy from school and send it in if you want us to have a look at it. So today we're going to carry on looking at our tens and ones and partitioning numbers into two parts. So we were saying that 110 is the same as how many ones? How many ones make up 110? We know that 10 ones make up 110, so let's have a look. We've got our deans here, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are these the same? Are these two amounts the same? Yes, but rather than going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 every time, we can just say we know we have 1, 10. We don't need to count to 10 every time. We can just say we know 1, 10 is the same as 10 ones. So here I've got a pack of pencils. How many pencils have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pencils here. I don't have to count to 10 every time because it's really tiring. I can just say, I know I have 10 pencils in this pack. I have 1 10, and it's the same as 10 ones. So I know that 1 10 numicon is the same as how many ones? Let's have a look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 110 is the same as 10 ones. So 110, 10 ones, but it's much easier to grab my 110 and wave my 110 around than it is to grab my one individual nines and hold them all in my hand. That'd be really difficult. So it's easier to say that I have 110 than it is to say I have 10 ones. So we know that they are the same thing, but it's better to say 110. On a tens frame, we know that 10 1 counters can fit on one tens frame and fill it. Let's take away my tens frame. There is 10 ones, put them together, it is 110. They are the same thing. 110 is the same as 10 ones. So here we have a number, and this number can be split into its two parts. It can be split into two parts. It can be split into tens and ones. So here I've got, what number is this? It is 12. So 12 can be split into two parts. First of all, we can see it has its ones first. So how many ones are there? There are 2 ones. So which of these parts are my 2 ones? 1, 2 ones. Fantastic. I've got 2 ones here. Now my other part is 110. So which is my 110? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up here. So this is my 110. That's really difficult to look at it that way, isn't it? It's a bit messy. It's difficult to count them. I'm not quite sure just by looking how many are there. So instead of having all those ones, I could just put 110 in there. Is that easier to tell what this number is? Can I tell straight away now this number is number 12? Yes, I can, because I can see really clearly I've got 110 as opposed to counting all these ones and 2 ones. So I'm going to write that out. 12 has 110 and 2 ones. Let's have a look at this number now. So what number is this? Well, I've got 4 ones. So let's have a look. Which are these? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Here's my 4 ones. And I've got 110. Well, let's double check this 110. So I've got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that takes such a long time. Rather than having these 10 ones here, and having to every time count up to 10, I can move these 10 ones and I can put 110 in there. So rather than having to count 10 individuals, I can just go 110 and 4 ones. It's much easier. So my number has 110 and 4 ones. What is my number? It is 14. Fantastic. Oh, now I want to know what number this is. Oh, so I've not got all my individual ones there. I've got how many tens? 110. So I've got 110 to start my number off. And how many ones do I have? I've got 1, 2, 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. So my number has 1 10 and 3 1s. What number is it? It's 13, because 13 has 1 10 and 3 1s. Wait to pause the screen now and have a go at this one for me. Complete the part but whole model and complete the sentence underneath and come back to check it when you're ready. Fantastic. Okay, so what number is this? So my number has how many tens? How many tens are in this part but whole model? Actually, it has 1 10 here, so 1 10, and then how many ones? It's got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones. 1 10 and 7 ones. What number is this? What number is this? This number is 17, and 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones. Let's have a go at this one. So what number do I have here? I have the number 19. So let's look at how many tens 19 has. So 10 has, 19 has 1 10. Have I got 1 10 in my part but whole model? Ah, yes. Up here I can see I've got my 1 10. Fantastic. I also need 9 ones. Do I have 9 ones in my other part? Do I have 9 ones remaining? No. So I need to add my 9 ones in. So 1, 2, ooh, very difficult. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my whole is 19. I know 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. Let's have a go at this one. So this whole is, what is the whole? It is 13. 13 has, how many tens does 13 have? Has 1 10. Can I see any tens in my part but whole model? Can I see any tens? No. So I need to draw my tens in here. So I know 13 has 1 10. I can draw my 10 in the shape of a tendine. So 1 10, and how many ones? 3 ones. Can I see this? 1 2 3. Fantastic. So now my part whole model is completed. Can you have a go at completing this one, please, and coming back? Pause your screens. Fantastic. Okay. So what is my whole? My whole is 17. So I know 17 has how many tens? How many tens does 17 have? It has 1 10. So, and can I see any tens in this part whole model? Are these tens? No, these are ones. So that means my 10 should go in here. So I'm going to draw it in. I've got 1 10 to represent the 10 in my 17. And then I should have, how many ones should I have? How many ones should I have? I should have 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't need to change anything there. Fantastic. Okay. Is this correct or incorrect? And is that because, so what is my whole here? What is the whole? The whole is 12. Fantastic. How many tens are there in 12? There is 1 10. Are these tens? Nope. Are these tens? Yep. Is there 1 10 here? There's 1 10. So this is correct. How many ones do I need to represent 12? How many ones do I need? I need 2 ones. Where are my ones? Is this my ones? Nope. This is my tens. Is this my ones? Yep. I should have 2 ones. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, is this correct? No. So this is incorrect because 12 should have 1 10 and 2 ones, but this number has 1 10 and 4 ones. What number would this make with 1 10 and 4 ones? It would make 1 10 and 4 ones would make 14. So this is incorrect. Pause your screens, have a go at this one for me. Come back when you're ready to check it. Brilliant. So is this correct or incorrect? So my whole is 11. 11 has, how many ones does 11 have? How many ones does 11 have? 11 has 1. How many ones does 11 have? 11 has 1 ones. Okay. So where are my ones? Is this my ones? Nope. Are these my ones? Yes. So I need 1 1 in here. So we've got 1 2 3 4 5. I've got 5 ones and I should have 1 1. So is this correct? No, this is incorrect. Let's have a quick look at the tens. I should have 1 10. Do I have 1 10? Yes, I have 1 10. But the ones is incorrect. So it's incorrect because 11 has 1 10 and 1 1. What number would this make then? This number has 1 10 and 5 ones. It would make 15. Fantastic. Okay, circle the correct number that should go in here. So is the correct number 71? 71 should have 7 tens and 1 ones. Well, are these my tens? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are these my tens? I've got 7 tens. No, Mr. Hares, these are your ones. So I should only have one for 71, and I should have 7 tens, and I've only got 1 10. So it is not 71 this number is representing. What about 17? Well, 17 needs 1 10. Well, I have 1 10 here, and it needs 7 ones. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Is this number correct? Yes. 17 is represented by 1 10 and 7 ones. It is 17 because it has 1 10 and 7 ones. Brilliant. Let's have a go at this one. Which is the correct number? Okay, so let's have a look. In fact, let's start with our part whole model and work out what number this should be. So I've got how many 10s do I have? Which are my 10s? Which are my 10s out of these two? These are my 10s here. And how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10. So 1 10, fantastic. And then where are my ones? If these are my 10s, my ones down here. And how many ones do I have? So I've got 1, 2, 3 ones. So what number is this? This is 13. 13 is the correct number. 31 is not. 31 would have 3 10s and 1 1s. It is 13 because it has 1 10 and 3 1s. I think I'm missing the end of my sentence there. Okay, your turn. Pause the screen, complete this, come back when you're ready to check it. Fantastic. Okay, let's go part by whole model and work out what number this is. So point to my 10s. Point to my 10s. Here are my 10s. So how many 10s do I have? I have 1 10, fantastic. And then point to my ones. My ones are here. How many ones do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So 1 10 and 5 ones. What number is this? What number is this? This is 15. So which of these numbers is the same? This one, 15 is the correct amount because 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. Brilliant. Which is correct out of these two? Which is correct representation? Well, the number we are looking to represent is 19. Actually, 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. So I'm looking for 1 10 and 9 ones. Well, here I can see I've got 1 10. So this bit is correct. And now I'm looking for 9 ones. But this has 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So this does not represent 19. Let's have a look at this number. So 19 is represented by 1 10. So I've got 1 10 here, fantastic. And then how many ones? 9 ones. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is correct and this is correct. This model represents 19. This is correct. Let's have a go at this one. So we're trying to represent 16. So 16 has 1 10. So I'm looking for our part of the whole model to have 1 10 and 6 ones. So which is my 10s? Which is my 10s? Here are my 10s. I have 1 10. So this is correct so far. 1 10. I use 6 ones. I can see these are my ones. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Brilliant. So this represents 16. Let's have a look at this number. This number says 16 is 1 10 and 6 ones. So which are my 10s? These are my 10s. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. How many 10s do I need to represent 16? I need 1 10, so this is not correct. And how many ones do I need to represent 16? I need 6 ones, and I only have 1 1, so this is incorrect. I think somebody here got their 10s and 1s mixed up, and they thought these were their 1s and these were their 10s, but they were incorrect. So this is the correct representation. Okay, Year 1, your worksheets for today are on the slides. This is our last worksheet. If you want to send them in to have a look at, that'd be fantastic. What I really want to see is your work from Monday this week, and I'm super excited to see you on Monday, which is in 2 days. Oh, I'm so excited for everyone to be back together. I'm going to say bye for now. Your work is on the screen. You can also get that off the school website. I'll pick it up from school, and I will see you very soon, Year 1. Bye. I've not ended yet.